Okay, we are doing in one-step equations. This is the third one. Please make sure you have your first name and your last name and your class period in there. We are working on one-step equation word problems. So we need to be able to write an equation from the word problem. Typing these into the computer will be a little tricky. Make sure that you do not leave any spaces and that you type it the way that it should. So the first thing that we're going to do is read the problem. Melly and her friend split a candy bar evenly. If the candy bar has 12 pieces, how many pieces will each person get? So it has 12 pieces, and there's only 2 people. So basically that tells us that they split it in half. So our equation will be either 1/2 x. Hold on, let me double check to make sure that I have got that the same way. Okay, so it is 1/2 of 12, or 12 divided by 2. So in what is expected for you all to write will be 12/2, which means 12 divided by 2 equals x. So the equation is telling us how to solve it. So x is our unknown. Now I know that you guys are smart enough to say 12 divided by 2, I'm splitting 12 pieces in half. My solution is 6. So the two things that you'll type is 12/2 equals x. And then the second one where it asks for the solution, you're going to type 6. Okay, we're going to work on the next problem. You paid for an item with a $20 bill. If you received $11.82 back in change, how much was the item? So the equation that you need to use in order to solve that would be to take your $20, so 20.00, and subtract, because that's how much you're getting left, is $11.82 equals x. Make sure you have that dot. Your solution would be when you subtract them. And when I subtracted them, I got $8.18. So again, when you type your answers, no spaces up here, and type your numbers. Okay. You've baked 26 cookies, which is 2/3 of all the cookies that you plan to bake. So this one is tricky because this is right here. What that is means is it means equals. So basically your equation will be 26 equals 2/3 x. Now, it was written that way, but do mathematicians like the x on the right side? No. So what you need to write or type is 2/3, 2/3 x equals 26. Now we're going to solve that one just to make sure that you guys know how to multiply by fractions or divide by fractions. So this is your equation. That'll be what you type. But I'm going to solve it by dividing both sides by 2/3. So x equals 26 divided by 2/3. So I'm going to multiply it by 3/2 because I know that I have to keep change flip. 26 times 3 was 78/2. 78 divided by 2 goes into 3 times. So it would be 39. So she really intended to make 39 cookies. So I'm going to show you guys how to type all of these because I know that typing it is a little bit more difficult than writing it out. So if I scroll down, hopefully my computer will let me slowly. Okay. My equation for the first one was 12/2 equals x. My answer was 6. My equation for number 2 was $20 minus $11.82 equals x. Notice there's no spaces. The solution for that one was $8.18. The equation for the third one, this was the one that was tricky. You needed a 2/3 x equals 26. And then our solution was 39. I'm going to hit submit to make sure that I didn't make any errors. View my score. Score was 2 out of 3, so let me see what I did. Oh, they wanted x. Okay, so I'll make sure that that's an available option for you all because it is what it is. So it should be fine for you guys.